Hi guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to make a warp slide transition easily in After Effects using a completely free plugin called Displacer Pro. Let's get started. First, create a new adjustment layer above the two clips where you want the transition to happen. Move to the middle of your clips. This is where the center of the transition will be. From that point, we need the adjustment layer to be 40 frames long, 20 frames before the midpoint and 20 frames after. So, go 20 frames backward by holding Shift and pressing page up twice, and cut the beginning of the adjustment layer there. Then go back to the middle, move 20 frames forward by holding Shift and pressing page down twice, and cut the ending. Now we have a 40 frame layer, and we can start creating the effect. Apply Displacer Pro to the adjustment layer. You can use it to create either a horizontal slide or a vertical slide. For a horizontal slide, keyframe translate X. For a vertical slide, keyframe translate Y. In this tutorial, I'll make a horizontal transition, so I'll be animating translate X. Make sure you're at the start of the adjustment layer and click the stopwatch next to translate X to create the first keyframe. Then move to the middle of the layer and increase translate X to around 70%. Once you raise the translate X, or Y, you'll notice some black edges. To fix that instantly, set edge behavior to mirror repeat. And for smoother, cleaner quality, set anti-aliasing to 4x. Now move to the end of the layer and set translate X back to 0%. Press U on your keyboard to reveal the keyframes, select them, and press F9 to easy ease. Then open the graph editor, right-click and choose Edit Speed Graph, and create a nice smooth curve. Once that's done, preview the transition. It already looks great, but I'm going to make it even better by adding a shake right in the middle of the layer. I'll use one of the shakes from my AM Film Shakes pack. To get AM Film Shakes, check the link in the video description, and I also have plenty of shake tutorials which you can check on the channel. Let's preview the final result with the shake, and we're done. Hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed it, please give it a like.